Kids Pandemic Learning. Interesting brain games illusion. Try to watch carefully. Do not forget to subscribe. Identify C letter in the picture. Can you get it? It's here. Identify a carrot which is in opposite position. Can you guess it? Here's the answer. There is a mistake in this picture. Can you identify it? The word mistake is mistake in this picture. Identify the eyes which is focused on right side. Have you guessed it? Here is the answer. Watch the video carefully. First question. The name board written up on the taxi was correct or wrong? Answer is wrong. The name board was written as IXAT instead of taxi. Second question. How many flowers were lying down on the floor? Guess it. Answer is 3 flowers were lying down on the floor. Third question. How many honeybees were flying up in the sky? Answer is 6 honeybees were flying up in the sky. Fourth question. What is the third color present in the rainbow? Answer is green color. Fifth question. What is the bag color of the walking man? Answer is blue color bag. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Kids Pandemic Learning videos.